So here's what we got going on today. We are looking at a new log arch that I've manufactured off of some ideas that I've gotten off of YouTube. This is gonna prevent me from having to roll the logs up on the side of the trailer like I used to have to, where I had to have a truck go in the other direction to pull it with. So this plan is something I got off of YouTube, like I said, from a guy named Matt Cremona. And this log arch here is made out of 2x3 inch steel, 1/4 inch wall thickness, and I've got gussets with 1/4 inch sheet stock, and I've got some D-ring shackles at both ends, one to hook the winch to and the other to hook the actual log to. So I'm not sure if those shackles are going to be the best. I got them from Harbor Freight, so we'll just put a rag or a towel or a blanket over them first couple times to see how they do. That way, in case they come undone, they won't go very far. So the other part of the trailer that you can't see is the front part. I've welded on a new position, a new C-channel that's 4 inches wide, and it's got a 1/4 inch wall thickness also. I've got a full bead running across the entire front of the trailer, attaching that C-channel to the frame, and that's where I'm going to put the hitch that I'm going to be able to slide the winch in and out of, and that way that the winch won't be permanently affixed to the trailer, so I can keep it in and out of the weather, since I don't use it very often for winching operations for the trailer. I'd like to also be able to use it for winching operations on my truck if I needed to go somewhere where I thought I might get stuck. So with that, I'll show you how this arch here operates, and hopefully later on next week my winch will get here and I'll be able to actually go get some logs with it. You can imagine with this 1/4 inch wall thickness, this is substantially heavy. The joint here is made with 1 1/4 inch solid steel rod, and it's held into this place with the same 1/4 inch wall thickness square tubing, and it has full travel all the way to the ground. So it has plenty of room to pick up the logs, and then it'll pull the log up onto the trailer. You can imagine there's a lot of gravity in this piece of arch here, so hopefully I should not have a problem with the arch being weak. I don't think that's going to be my problem. I think the issue, if I run into any issues, it's going to be here at the joint, where I've added a jack stand to ensure that this is going to be on the ground and try and stiffen up this whole area here. So hopefully in a couple of weeks I'll be able to load a video of me actually loading a log with this operation.